Join me as I take on the 7-day challenge to speak English like a native speaker. Can I do it? Today, I want to challenge myself and all of you to take your English speaking skills to the next level. Imagine being able to speak English with confidence and fluently, just like a native speaker. It's an exciting and achievable goal, and I'm excited to take you on this journey with me. One of the biggest struggles language learners face is pronunciation. We've all been there, trying to pronounce words like sixth, schedule, and ending up with a mouthful of mush. But it's not just pronunciation, vocabulary is another major hurdle. How many times have you spoken to a native speaker only to realize you don't know the right word to use in a conversation? And then there are cultural nuances, those unwritten rules that native speakers seem to intuitively understand, but learners often struggle with. Another common struggle is that learners often focus too much on the rules and forget to actually practice speaking. They get caught up in grammar and syntax, and before they know it, they're stuck in a speaking rut. And let's be honest, who hasn't felt like they're not good enough or that they're not making progress fast enough? It's frustrating, demotivating, and can make you want to give up. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome these struggles and start speaking English like a native speaker in just 7 days? Sounds too good to be true, I know, but bear with me. With the right strategies and techniques, you can improve your English speaking skills dramatically in just a week. Day 1 is all about building confidence. We'll focus on getting comfortable with your voice and speaking in front of others. Day 2 is all about pronunciation. We'll work on nailing those tricky words and getting your intonation just right. Day 3 is vocabulary day. Learn how to use context clues to figure out unfamiliar words and phrases. Day 4 is all about cultural nuances. We'll dive into idioms, colloquialisms, and those unwritten rules that native speakers take for granted. Day 5 is conversation day. We'll practice having real conversations with native speakers and responding naturally. Day 6 is all about storytelling. We'll work on sharing your experiences and opinions confidently. And on day 7, we'll put it all together and have a conversation that sounds like a native speaker. But here's the thing, it's not just about following these daily activities, it's about committing to a mindset shift. It's about embracing imperfection, taking risks, and speaking even when you're not sure you're getting it right. And that's where this powerful tip comes in: record yourself speaking every day. That's right, every single day. Record yourself speaking for just a few minutes. It can be a voice note on your phone, a video on your laptop, or even a voice message to a friend. The point is to get comfortable with your own voice and to track your progress. Trust me, it's a game changer. Recording yourself daily will help you identify areas you need to work on, and it'll give you a sense of accomplishment as you see yourself improving. And the best part is, it's not just about the progress you'll make. It's about the confidence you'll gain. You'll start to feel more comfortable speaking English, more confident in your pronunciation and vocabulary, and more at ease with cultural nuances. So, let's recap. Over the next 7 days, we'll work on building confidence, improving pronunciation, learning new vocabulary, understanding cultural nuances, having conversations, telling stories, and committing to a mindset shift. It's a lot to take on, but I know you can do it. Thanks for joining me on this 7-day challenge to speak English like a native speaker. I'd love to hear about your experience with the challenge in the comments below. Share your progress, ask questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. Good luck, and let's do this!